Hello from Mexico. Come with us to visit the Cascadas in Altotonga, Veracruz. Let's go.
There's a boat church.
Yeah. It's pretty, huh? There's Daddy. What are you doing, Dad? Veracruz is such a beautiful state. Like, they have some of the most beautiful things to see. And micheladas. Taking a little break for lunch. Damon slept through all of the waterfalls. What'd you get? Rudolph's over here trying to convince me to have another baby. I see you, sir.
I can have kids. You're doing society a favor by having.
It's because he wants me to have a girl. You're just like Fidel.
Uno más. Esa niña, vas a ser niña, ¿verdad?
Gotta say bye to the tias. And now we're headed home. Have a good night, guys.